Hadith 975, Jabir radiyallahu an reported, when we ascended a height, we would proclaim Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. And when we descended from the height, we would proclaim Subhanallah, Allah is free from imperfection. Al-Bukhari.
Also 976, please.
Also 976, Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhuma, may Allah be pleased with him and his father, reported, whenever the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his army ascended a height, they would proclaim Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. And when they climbed down, they would proclaim Subhanallah, Allah is free from imperfection. Abu Dawood.
Here the hadith tells us that the companions, when they are in traveling, kunna, because this is a traveling, and Jabir radiallahu anhu was talking about when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was traveling, he was traveling along with him. Also Abdullah ibn Umar talks about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the army, and they're traveling. Whenever they go upwards, they will make takbir. The reason behind this, when you go up, you might have tendency of arrogance, and that is why the takbir would be suitable. So the arrogance here needs to say to you, Allahu Akbar, regardless of what you have reached, Allah is greater than you are. And then he says, وَإِذَا نَزَلْنَا سَبَّحْنَا اللَّهَ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ. And if we go down the hills, then we will say tasbih. And this is when you go down, you're seeking the mercy and the pardoning and the forgiveness of the Almighty Azza wa Jal. And you're remembering that the power that Allah has over you. And if you remember what happened to Yunus alayhi salam, when he was inside the belly of the whale, he made tasbih. Subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. So he made tasbih. So when you go down, you make tasbih. Question is, do we do that when we go up the ladders or the stairs, for example, or we go to the lift and we go down? At the time of the Prophet ﷺ, there were ladders and there were stairs as well. There were no lifts, but there were stairs and there were as well ladders. And if the companions used to do this, or the Prophet ﷺ used to do that, it would have been conveyed to us. So we stick to the ibadah that is into the traveling only, as other than the ibadah it will be a bid'ah. So making takbir or tasbih when you're going down the stairs or up the stairs, the Prophet ﷺ, the companions did not do that. And we know that the ibadah, everything is to be not allowed except if it's been said otherwise.